Hey, good morning everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today we are going to do the second eviction on these Wasps and Hornets on the 1993 Chevy Suburban. I went to put the battery in the truck. I opened the door and got stung twice right above the temple. So I guess we're going to hot shot them again. I guess the first message didn't wake them up. I guess the fatalities weren't high enough numbers, so let's see what we can accomplish today. Like I said, I already got stung twice. I waited about a half hour, so let's see what we're gonna face now. It's in the same location too, right on that door jamb right in there. So you can tell they're all coming out now. I thought I got them all last week or a couple days ago, whenever I showed you guys that video. And there had to be at least 10 or 15 casualties there. So I'm going to open up the back door. If you guys remember, the door hinge right there is where that, I guess the honeycomb or whatever the hell this thing's called. So let's see if we can get that section again. I can hear them buzzing around my head too, so. Do it. These guys, they really don't like to be evicted, I can tell you that. I mean, we joke around and everything else, but these guys are literally relentless. There's another one here. See if I can. Whoa! This is one of the main reasons why you don't keep cars sitting at idle or just sitting around, because you get stuff like this happens. And down here in Florida with all this wet, muggy weather, and it's just like a breeding ground for these guys. Okay, I'm going to open the passenger front door, and remember, they're all going to be right in here, so let's see if they come flying out of here again. Just got that one in midair. Yeah, I got two right above the temple on the right side, right before I grabbed the can of wasp spray here. I don't see any. I don't even know where they're. Well, hopefully that's it, guys. I'm gonna stick my head in here. Hopefully I don't get hit by any wasps. Everything seems to be pretty quiet. Like I said, that was the nest from last time. So I'm gonna there's a couple of them. So I'm gonna remove this, hook the battery up, and hopefully do a first start in 2-year video coming up here in a couple of minutes. So thanks guys for coming along. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Thumbs up, thumbs down. And as always, guys, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America. And guys, if you do this, please be careful And we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take care.